About 3 years ago I cleaned my freshwater tank on my previous motorhome, the Swift Bolero, and I realised that we've now had this motorhome for 2 years and I've not felt the need to clean the waste tanks. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to clean the waste tanks on this Swift Bolero. It's a good start, isn't it? I'm going to clean the waste tank on our motorhome, and I haven't done it for a while, so probably a good idea to do this. And I'm going to use Fenix waste tank cleaner, and the instructions say add 100 millilitres of waste pipe and tank cleaner and 5 to 10 litres of warm water to the waste tank. Allow to soak on all surfaces for 10 to 20 minutes, shaking tank occasionally. Rinse thoroughly, repeat if necessary. And it also says you can pour 50 to 100 millilitres of the waste pipe and tank cleaner down a blocked pipe and allow to soak for a few hours to clear. I haven't got any blocked pipes, but I might actually do that on each of the sinks after we've put the solution in. Okay, so I'm going to give this a go, so see how we get on. It actually says I've got to shake the tank as well, so I might actually take the motorhome for a drive and fill it up with diesel because we're off to the NEC very shortly. Let's see how we get on. 100 millilitres of the solution. That's it. Oh, smells quite nice. Get rid of the bowl for a minute and pour that into the water. Oh God, careful, it's a bit full. It's about 10 litres of water in there. Pour the solution in there. I don't have to worry about whether my drain tap's closed or open on the waste tank because it's an automatic, well, an automatic is a valve that closes after 10 minutes. So I know the drain tap is going to be closed. But if you have got a manual drain tap, do make sure it's closed. I'll go and do the rest of the solution down the other two holes in the bathroom. Sorry, in the washroom. Right, so I now got the solution in the waste tank, and we'll put a little bit of the raw stuff. We'll put a little bit of the neat stuff just down the plug hole. Probably the sink's going to be the worst, the sink in the kitchen. Just put a bit of that down there and do the same in the shower and the toilet. That's it. I'll go for a drive. Right, been for a drive, filled up with diesel, ready for the NEC, and yeah, do be careful if you use hose pipe inside the van. You really don't want to leave it unattended. God knows what could happen then. You flood your motorhome. So anyway, rinsing it out. It's just rinsing through. Got it out here. There we go, just let that drain through. Well, I've emptied it out. There's nothing else coming out of the drain now. So it's still stuck on 50%. Which is a bit of a pain because it means I need to have a look at cleaning the sensors on the waste tank. Obviously we're going away soon, so I won't do it now, but we'll have a look at it when we get back. The trouble is the sensors are underneath the van, and I think that's the only access I've got underneath the van, is actually crawl underneath and see if we can get to them, because you can't get to them from inside the van. Oh well, I hope you found that useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, hit the notifications icon, and I'll bring you more videos where I get slightly irritated with wastewater tanks. Yeah.